Hi, I'm Helena. Today we made a stylish mask to sleep. In the description you will find the link to download the paper pattern. Cut the various part with the paper pattern of the mask, which you find in the link in the description. The elastic 40 cm and a rectangle 52 and 60.5 cm. Point the wedding on the reverse side of one of the two fabrics. Take the rectangle and close on the right side to create a loop for the elastic. Insert the elastic and sew into the beginning. Sew the elastic to the side of the mask lining on the right side, keeping the elastic inside and following the pattern marks. Sew your two parts of the mask right-sided together, which you have previously decorated as you like, keeping the elastic inside and leaving one part open for turning over. Fold the mask to the right side with the help of a Chinese chopstick. Close and sew thread. The mask is ready. You can then decorate it in according to your imagination. I was inspired by Audrey Hepburn. Write me in comments for further questions and if you have tried this tutorial. In the next video we will unboxing together my new embroidery machine Nekilogica. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and my local events on Facebook. Visit my website juliaqueen.com because elegance is a way of life.